I'm Kylie Jones, and this is my husband Kurt, and we represent District 8 on the Indiana Farm Bureau Young Farmers and Ag Professionals State Committee. I grew up on my family's grain and livestock operation, and just always had a passion for agriculture through that, and the tenacity and work that it takes, and just was instilled in me at a young age. Currently, we have a sheep operation, brood ewes, and then selling lambs. Off the farm, I am the dispatcher at the Greensburg location for MacAllister Rentals, so the Caterpillar dealer in the state.
I did not grow up on a farm. I was always working on a farm growing up. Farmers close by, neighbors, always helping bale straw, bale hay, and harvest as well. My wife and I own a truck repair shop, so we work on Class 8 trucks, anywhere from dump trucks, semis, hopper bottoms, grain trucks, and select few pickup trucks.
My involvement in Farm Bureau began just a friend asked me to serve on the county board, and saw a lot of opportunity there just with the grassroots involvement. Through that, then became the Secretary and Treasurer of the board, which I currently serve as. With the committee, I just saw a really great opportunity to learn more as a couple and as Farm Bureau individuals, and just continued involvement and just a growing opportunity.
I enjoy talking with people, networking a little bit, getting to know everybody else's operations, where they're from, and realize that we all share the same struggles. One of the goals for my time on committee is to be a resource, help point people in the right direction if they have a question or concern within the district or even outside of the district.
During our time on the committee, I'd love to just learn more about what other districts are doing to increase involvement, branch out and to get people involved to grow their young farmer organization.